Hello everyone. As you can see, this is Queen Elizabeth National Park, Kaseni. सो हमारे दूसरे दिन इवनिंग में थोड़ा टाइम था, तो हमने सोचा कि एक गेम ड्राइव के लिए निकलते हैं. सो वी रीच टू द एंट्रेंस. वहाँ पे कुछ फॉर्मेलिटी करनी होती है. वी completed that and then we moved towards the savannah area. This area is called savannah grassland. अफ्रीका के कुछ कंट्रीज़ में दिस ग्रास लैंड्स आर वेरी फेमस, स्पेशली इन केनिया, तंजानिया, साउथ अफ्रीका और इवन कि युगांडा के कुछ पार्ट्स में सवाना ग्रास लैंड पाए जाते हैं, जिसमें कि एनिमल्स के लिए काफ़ी ग्रास लैंड होता है, एज यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल पाए जाते हैं. इस पार्क में स्पेशली lions, leopards, spotted hyenas, Ugandan kob, African elephant, buffalo, watchhogs और 600 स्पेसीज की बर्ड्स मिलती हैं. आप पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हैं युगांडन कॉब को. इसी पार्क में आगे जाने के बाद एक एरिया आता है जिसको कि लेक कटवा बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे सॉल्ट बनाया जाता है. सो इस सॉल्टी लेक बड़ी यूनिक चीज़ है. लेक से सॉल्ट बनना हमने सुना है, पढ़ा है कि समंदर के पानी से सॉल्ट बनता है, बट यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि लेक में सॉल्ट बन रहा है, जो कि बच्चों को और बड़ों को भी जानना चाहिए कि कैसे इस वोल्केनिक लेक से, जिसमें कि 8000 ईयर्स अगो एरप्शन हुआ था, वहाँ पे अभी सॉल्ट कैसे बन रहा है और जो कि पूरे युगांडा में सप्लाई होता है. दिस वाज रियली एन यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी.
This is a volcanic lake.
Huh?
Volcanic
lake. Sorry, yeah,
Yes.
it's volcanic lake.
Yes, it is a volcanic.
हाँ.
Yes.
सो ये एक वोल्केनिक लेक है. यहाँ पे पहले वोल्केनो हुआ करता था. ये है सॉल्ट लेक, क्वीन एलिजाबेथ पार्क का. ओके, अब इसके बारे में और जानकारी तो देखिए, बहुत सारे लोग जो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी सॉल्ट बना रहे हैं.
Let's first get this magma is black because of volcano.
Yeah, I don't understand that.
Yes, and when you hear the smell, that is sulfur. Sulfur.
So magma is already there at the bottom.
Yes.
You make salt here, again
Yes.
you will take out, again you will make, and you will keep on doing like this.
Yes, every day.
Every day you will keep on doing.
According to the weather.
Yeah.
For us here, we work in heavy sunshine only.
Heavy sunshine.
We
If
work
there will be
in
rain, you cannot
dry
do.
season only.
Yeah,
But if in rainy season, we don't no business.
you cannot do that.
Yes, in rainy season we don't have any business. You just find a lake here.
Lake here, huh?
Yes, it destroys everything.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and the use of this salt
Channel. From where water is coming in this lake?
is this channel.
This channel, okay.
Yes.
So from
This
this channel
channel is
water is coming, and you scatter it all around.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The use of that channel is to bring water from the main lake
Okay.
direct to the plant.
So that is that will be sweet water, right? From
Yes.
that lake,
Yes.
sweet water is coming,
It is also
and you are mixing here, and then you are making
Yes.
salt.
Yes.
Okay. So how long this whole process
The
take?
whole process takes only 1 day.
1 day?
Yes.
In 1 day you make?
Only on 1 day.
You make. So
Yes.
all that which is there in that bag is made in 1 day, today only?
No, you see, like
See,
how
doing like this.
now tomorrow,
Huh.
when the sunshine comes,
Okay.
she will harvest again
So she will take out salt from here.
another sort like that one. Another crystals will form again on the top of the water. Types of salt.
Yeah, you have one pink and one is black.
Yes.
So,
Pink salt.
Huh.
We use it as a table salt,
uh-huh.
and we use it on cooking hard foods like dry beans, hard meat, and vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
And it is also a medicine to a human.
Okay.
You know the disease called goiter?
Goita.
Yes.
Okay.
the swelling here on the neck. Like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
That person with that disease keep on linking on that salt, and it helps that person when it is already expanded. It reduces it on its normal size. Yes, and it is also a medicine to our grandmoms who are suffering from joint pain.
Okay.
Yes, that person with that problem, you get a little of it, you put it in hot water, that person steps there for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Because it has got 3 minerals, which is calcium, natural iodine, and iron. In that, in heavy sunshine, hits this magma, and magma also hits the salty water, and salty water evaporate and makes some small crystals on the top of the water, which is salt.
Okay.
Now, that salt, it keeps on growing. Now, what we do after that, we come up with this machine here.
Okay. This machine.
Yes.
Okay.
We are calling it a kamisho in our local language.
Kamisa.
Yes, a kamisho.
A kamiso.
In our local language.
Okay.
But for me, I call it my computer.
You say it computer.
I call it my computer.
My computer.
Yes, because I use it every day.
Okay.
Without this, I can't get much more salt.
Okay.
Now, what we do, we come up with this machine to spray water.
Okay.
On the top of the water.
Mm-hmm.
We do it like this. Like that. It means that I'm adding more layer to become thicker.
Okay, so become thicker. Okay.
Yes. Now I come up for the first phase, I spray. Water dries up 30 minutes. I come up for the second time, I spray. It keeps on growing and growing. 4 times maximum. It means that salt is ready to be harvested.
Okay.
Now we have got a big tray, like big inside like this.
मुझे लगा कि ये जानकारी मुझे अपने व्यूअर्स के साथ शेयर करनी चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट किया और सभी के साथ शेयर किया। ये यूनिक चीज़ जो कि बहुत लोग मिस कर देते हैं ऐसे जगहों पे जाने के बाद, लेकिन मैंने इस चीज़ को कवर किया। और फिर इसके साथ ही दूसरे दिन का एंड हुआ एंड वी स्टार्टेड लिविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर लॉज, जिसके बारे में हमने अपने आखिरी वीडियो में बताया था, इंसेमा लॉज। सो गुड बाय फ्रॉम सेकेंड डे।